Hi everybody, it's Science Day. It's Wonderful World Wednesday, and we're going to do a science experiment today with food coloring. All you need is red, blue, and yellow, and you need a pair of scissors. It depends on your paper towels, but about 7 sheets of paper towel that are this size, and I'll show you what we're going to do with those. And 7 cups. They can be glass, they can be plastic. Clear is the best because then you'll be able to see the colors. So this experiment is about how water helps things travel, and it's also about colors that mix together. So the way we're going to start is, 7 pieces of paper towel, and I always like to tell you variations. So if you don't have paper towels at home, you can use different paper. You can use toilet paper. You could use printer paper, and a really fun thing to do would be to do the experiment more than once and use different papers and see what happens, compare the results. So these paper towels just happen to come in sheets like this that are perforated. So I have 7 pieces. You're gonna fold it you're gonna make the crease very strong on the lengthwise like that, okay? And then do it again because you want the crease to be really good. Then you're gonna take it and fold it again lengthwise, and you're also gonna make the crease very strong. And then we're gonna fold it in half the other way, this way. Because we want this paper towel to go from one plastic cup to the other one. So we're gonna make the crease very strong, and it's gonna go into the cups this way. Now my cups are kind of short, so I'm gonna use the scissors to cut off the bottom. And it doesn't have to be exact. Anything that will fit in the cup. So this paper is gonna go from one cup to the next cup. And we're gonna line them up that way. 7 cups, but only 3 colors. And I'm going to I have other paper folded, and I'm going to put them in between each of the sets of cups, and this is what's going to help the water travel. Paper towels absorb water, so hopefully the water is going to travel up and into the next one, up and into the next one. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to put red food coloring in the first cup, probably 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 drops in the first one, okay? And then I'm gonna take blue, I'm gonna skip this cup. I'm gonna take blue and do the same amount in the third cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then I'm gonna skip this cup. I'm gonna take yellow, and I might do a few more. Yellow isn't as bright. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's always a little paler, so I'm going to do about 4 more drops there. It's hard to talk and count at the same time. All right, and then the last cup, we're going to skip another cup, and the last cup we're going to do red again. And you'll see why. Hopefully you'll see quickly. If not, we'll add a picture to this. All right. Now we will add the water, and then we're going to add the paper cups, or paper towels. And this is hopefully an experiment that's very easy to do at home, because hopefully everybody has food coloring, and I know you have water, and hopefully paper towels, but like I said, you could try a different kind of paper. Also, my water is lukewarm. It's closer to cold. You could also vary this experiment by using warm water, hot water, cold water, freezing cold water with ice in it. So there are all kinds of ways to do this experiment more than once and compare your results, which is a great practice for kids, especially if you have to do something for the science fair. It's a good habit to get in. All right, let me see. I'm trying to see if those are about, I think this might need 2 more drops. And then I think I might make this a little darker. The blue is really dark, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
But that's just the nature of it. So, all right, now for the traveling water. We're going to put the ends in here. It's already starting to absorb. Can you see the color here? The red going up and the blue going up. So it's already starting. That's a good thing. It's kind of fun when the results don't take a really long time. Oh, I think I have one too many paper towels. All right. You can see the red traveling up. You can see just the plain water. You can see the blue going this way and this way. The yellow's going this way and this way. The red is coming up here. Might not be quite as instant as I was hoping. And I bet, here's my guess, my hypothesis. I think if you used really warm water, I think it might work faster. So you guys try that at home and see if it does. All right, you can see that the color is traveling. The paper towel is wet all the way through. So I think the best thing to do now is to come back and check on our experiment. Maybe get something else ready, and then we'll come back and check on our experiment and see what these papers look like after about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, see you then. All right, so this didn't work immediately, but it did after a period of time, and it was probably about 12 to 15 minutes that you can see that. Remember, these were just clear water cups, and now you can see it's almost like a rainbow. So the blue and the red mixed together to make purple. It's really dark purple. The blue and the yellow mixed together to make green. The yellow and the red mixed together to make orange. And like I said, please try different materials, because in the experiment that I watched that gave me the idea, he took these paper towels out and then laid them in front so that you could see the different, it's called chromography or I think something like that, where you could see the different shades. These were left in a little too long, so they got so wet that some of the color got diluted, but see, that green isn't very strong. But try different materials, try leaving it in for different amounts of time, and definitely try warm water versus cold water, because I think that can make a huge difference. All right, have fun experimenting at home, and send in any pictures if you've done this experiment and whether it was successful or not, because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Good luck.